Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking a provider and clarifying requirements: CPU cores, RAM, storage, and whether you need a GPU. Once decided, choose the operating system image, Windows or a specific Linux distribution, because that determines drivers and licensing. Make sure to compare pricing models: hourly for short tests, monthly for steady workloads. Also check free tiers and regional latency. First actionable step: sign into the provider portal, create a project or account, and prepare an SSH key or admin password for access. Next, configure the instance precisely. Select the instance size matching your workload and pick fast storage like SSD for I/O heavy tasks. Once set, configure networking. Assign public IP only if needed, set firewall rules or security groups to limit ports. Create or upload SSH keys for Linux or set an admin password for Windows and attach any additional volumes. Enable startup scripts to install packages on boot and turn on automatic snapshots or backups so you can recover quickly if something goes wrong. Finally, access the machine via SSH for Linux or RDP for Windows and verify that critical services start and logs show no errors. Once connected, update the operating system and install security patches. Enable automatic updates and set up monitoring and alerts so you see CPU, disk, and network anomalies. Make sure to configure backups and a rollback plan. If something fails, one key troubleshooting tip: check firewall/security group rules, confirm SSH key or password correctness, and inspect the instance serial console or provider status page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.